there's an audio that goes like, I slowly,
You slowly what?
like, I don't know how the rest of the audio goes.
I don't know. I don't know what you're talking about.
I
Oh!
slowly started getting seducted.
Oh, I was slowly getting seduced by him.
I slowly started to be seduced by him, like he started to seduce me.
Alright, where are we going? Okay, don't jump. That works too. Yeah. Punch them. Ah! Don't punch them, they have a gun! I punched them. You're kinda shit.
Oh no, it's Storm. Alright.
Oh. So we're playing Oh, you kinda give Flopzilla.
Stupid.
Bitch! Oh. No, don't snipe me. You're gay if you snipe me. No! You're so gay! You're gay! You're gay! Are you stupid? Are you stupid?
No, my name's Jeff. Oh fuck.
Stupid? You're stupid! You're stupid! So you are stupid. Stupid?
Hit the bitch with the "Are you dumb?"
No!
Are you happy to be in Paris?
We.
Wait! Oh, I have to reload. Wait. Hey, don't shoot it. Don't shoot it! No! Me when I come. To my senses, get away from me.
You know who else is really hot is James Franco.
James Charles?
Yes,
Yes,
he is.
James Charles is so fine.
I love James Charles.
Already in the middle. I hit him for... I broke him.
Girl, I don't got nothing.
I'm dead. I'm down. They're here. They're pushing. Oh.
I almost got him.
Oh. Oh.
Actually, I kind of want to play Pathfinder.
Mm, that's a good idea. I should play some Pathfinder.
No, no, no.
Yeah.
No, no.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No. No. Haha,
Yeah.
I get to pick first. Haha, you suck.
Antonio
Ah.
picked. Antonio picked
Is it?
Pathfinder. Antonio picked Pathfinder. Antonio. Fuck.
I didn't hear to the end. I was watching TikTok.
Fuck.
Pushing.
Who's pushing?
Me.
Oh. Oh right.
Never mind.
Oh. So Spencer pushed. And now Spencer's below us.
Is there more, Antonio?
Yeah.
Where?
He's right up there.
Where? Where?
Cut the cameras. Dead ass.
Please, I missed all my shots. That was embarrassing. Does anyone have shield cells?
I just dropped like 4 out by your thingy.
They're not even here, Antonio. There's no.
I literally dropped 4.
Oh, Spencer probably took them. I don't know.
Look what?
Shield cells.
I didn't take any shield stuff.
Literally.
You said it's the thing. I come in through here, right? So I look here. I don't see
Girl,
it.
I said it's by the thing. I didn't say it's on the thing.
Why aren't you two dating?
Because it would be like fucking
Dating
myself.
myself.
Yeah.
Stupid idiot.
That wasn't me. I'm gonna shoot all those spiders so that they go and kill Spencer. Spencer, there are spiders behind you. I don't know how they got there. Oh, and one of them dropped me a purple light mag. People,
Okay.
people.
Cracked. Ash behind you.
Okay, he's really.
Yup.
I did
I'm
that.
Girl, shut the fuck up. You thought you ate that? Bitch, you.
Okay, buff Pathfinder challenge.
Okay. Pathfinder, you are now buff.
They're so stupid.
I hope I get Krabered in the head and cummed in.
I think I saw it, yeah.
I broke one.
Please.
Am I a golden
Shitty
retriever?
machinery.
Are you a
You
golden
want
retriever?
a golden retriever so bad, it makes you like a pit bull.
I'll be
Yeah.
a purple. Call me Mr. Worldwide.
If I was
I
a
should say Chihuahua.
stupid.
No.
What dog would I be? Be honest.
Probably a
blobfish.
Chinese crest.
What the fuck is that?
Okay, let's move on.
You're so fucked in the head. Did you know that? You're so fucked in the head
Is it a dog?
for saying I look like that. It's like if they tried to turn a horse into a dog.
What?
Me when I have 3 times on my 30-30. Hey guys, I got a 90-90 repeater. So fucking funny. So
You look like a Chinese crested, Abden.
you look like a horseshoe.
No, wait. What if I was a dog?
Oh
what would
my
I be?
god. This is how you
You're a
know
dog.
he's rich. It's because he
Dog.
has this fucking kind of dog.
Dog breeds. You'd be a
He's
mutt.
really horrific.
You'd be a mutt.
He is a mutt.
You'd kind of be. You'd probably be like a. You kind of give off. You kind of give off Yorkshire Terrier.
I think he would be a Rhodesian Ridgeback.
Girl, that's only because you give him Rhodesian bareback.
Wait, what would I look like?
A Rhodesian Ridgeback.
Spencer, you kind of give off English cocker.
Yeah. I'm gonna go up there.
I killed her. Stupid bitch. And
Champions ain't shit.
me when I miss my Q.
Was that someone or was that a fucking prowler?
Where? I'm not giving flop.
Tonight I'm gonna be singing Shalloyd by Shalloyd.
Oh, I know that song.
No, you know what? No.
Antonio went. I think there's someone here. I literally tabbed out and I was like, okay, where's Antonio? I look over to see Spencer still staring at my ultimate. Maybe I shouldn't play Loba. This shit is bait for him.
So,
He's
on the
taking
jump
a
master?
photo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I wasn't thinking if I was watching TikTok.
Where are you taking us?
What is he even doing?
What are
Hey,
you?
it's you, Abden. Abden, it's you. You're Jump Master.
Oh, wait, you released it?
This is so stupid.
Yep, gun that bitch down.
I have a sentinel. It's kind of embarrassing. Bitch. I got her. There's another team. There's another team.
Bitch.